Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I hope you all will be happy and improving English by easy method. So dude, there is blowing air is blowing air. So dude, in this video we are going to improve our English with a story, and this story is very amazing, very interesting and very positive story. And I have listened this in morning time, and I like too much this story because this is a little bit motivation and this is very positive story. So yeah dude, I'm going to recite you this story and its benefit. Like yeah, we can say there is many benefit of listening story and reading story. Yeah dude, if you like to read stories like same me, yeah dude, I also like to read stories because I improve with the story, and I like to read stories because reading is very important for our life, for our English journey. So dude, in this video I'm going to recite to you all that what type of this story. Yeah, this is the positive story. So let's begin this video without wasting any time. And first of all, take a moment to like, share this video, and if you are new in this channel, so please hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos like these, and connect with my journey and be a part of this YouTube family. Okay, so dude, let's begin. So first of all, there is one character, and this is main character dude, and his name is Derry. Okay, so his name is Derry, and his one side face his one side of face got burned like by acid, like this side, and that's why he is looking like ugly. And when someone is looking towards them, they thinking that it is terrible. Yeah, and most of people hate him and avoid him to look towards him. That's why he want to live alonely in any place. And second character is Mr. Lamb, and he is walking limping. Yeah, he is limping, and he is very kind person. Lamb is very kind person, very positive thinking person. His mindset is totally different from others. His mindset is very peaceful, very positive guys. Yeah dude. And third person is Daddy's mother. Yeah, Daddy's mother. So first of all, Daddy like to live alone because most people don't like him because his face was ugly. So dude, anyone was not liking him in spite in spite his mother. And so dude, one day he was in his home, and when someone not in the street, he came from the house, and he is going there in the garden, and there was no one. That's why he is there. He came in the garden, and there was a person who was Mr. Lamb, and he is very kind person. And when he come there, there was a apple tree. Yeah, and there were many crops. Yeah, we can say. So there were many crops, and he like Daddy like they're very peaceful. He like that there was a peace. That's why he's standing there, and there was a cool air was blowing, and there was the person, Mr. Lamb, and he was watching him. And then he suddenly his eyes fell into the lamp, and then they were talking about their self. Firstly, he try means they tried, yeah, they tried that he bunked from there, but no, that time Mr. Lamb speak with the diary, and Mr. Lamb was also limping, and his one leg was not able to walk properly. That's why every person was making funs of Mr. Lamb also. So both were same, and he was telling them everyone was making fun of daddy. That's why he was very upset, and Mr. Lamb was motivated him, and he was saying him that there is no one that who is making my fun. No, in spite everyone don't want to talk Mr. Lamb. In spite all of these things, he is talking that I have many friends. Yeah, I have many friends. I have many childrens. I have many children friends. Yeah, but he Lamb don't have any friend. He was totally alone, and then he motivate him. Mr. Lamb motivated daddy that there is no anything that you cannot talk to other. You are not ugly. Yeah, and he was asking them that you can yeah dude, you can hide your leg, but I'm not able to hide my face because my face is burned like half face by acid. Yeah, that's why he looking was ugly. But no, he said daddy that no, that it is not like that. If your face got burned, so it is not big deal. Yeah, you should try to speak others. You should try to walk in the street. Yeah, you should not be alone. And he was telling them that I will give you many apples, I will give you toffees of honey. Yeah, like he was saying that I also give many toffees to childrens, but and I am also give many apples to childrens, and he have many friends. But it is not like that. It was not like that. He didn't have any friends, and Mr. Lamb was old person. So he said him that I will pluck apples, then I will give you, and you will eat. And after that daddy says Mr. Lamb that I will go firstly my home, and then I will come back. Yeah, I will come back. But Mr. Lamb said him that everyone say like that, but anyone don't come. Yeah, then Mr. Lamb climbed in the ladder. Yeah, he climbed in the ladder to pluck the apples, and that time daddy was in his home, and he was taking agreement of her mother. But her mother was not able to go him back outside. Yeah, but he was argument. He was doing argument of her mother, and then he will come back. And that time Mr. Lamb was in the ladder, and when he was plucking flowers, sorry, fruits, means apple, that time he fall from the ladder. He fall under the tree by ladder, and then that time he gotten death. Yeah, dude, he had died that time. So this was the very bad phase. That it was very bad phase for Daddy. And when he reached Mr. Lamb's house, then he said, then he was scouting that, "Hello, Mr. Lamb, I am here. Where are you? Hello, where are you, Mr. Lamb?" Then he saw that there was a Mr. Lamb, and he is not waking up. Yeah, that time he was touching him that, please wake up, please wake up, please wake up, Mr. Lamb. But he was dead. He had died too. That's why. So this was very emotional story also. This was very emotional story and very positive thinking, because he had no any friends. But in spite of all of this, he was saying to Daddy that make friends and be happy. So dude, if you like this video, so please subscribe this channel and please share this video. And if you have any friend like this, so please help him. We should help disabled men, disabled persons. We should not avoid them. No, it's not like that. You should help him. Yeah, dude, please spend a little bit time with them, because they feel very good from you. So dude, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And so that's all for today, guys, and spend time with disabled men and don't bother them. Yeah, dude, don't make excusing towards them. So dude, that's all for today, and I will meet in my next video. So that's all for today, and if you have any topic, if you have any suggestion for me, so please write in the comment section, and I will try to make video on that topic. So that's all for today, and I will meet in my next video. So bye bye this time.